What is that? Mandy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed and tried to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. They saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Hey! Boner candle! Boner candle! What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle! Boner candle! Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle! Boner candle! Stops got trigger top and bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC went nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, boner candle. Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the scream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tried to explain it on the chart real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle! Oh! Boner candle! What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle! Boner candle! Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle! Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black shirt club. Never forget. The boner candle of 2025.